Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton in Santa Cruz West, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Conveniently located 1.1 miles from the Natural Bridges State Beach, the Hampton in Santa Cruz West, CA offers a fitness room and guest laundry room. All rooms include free Wi-Fi. A fridge, microwave and coffee facilities are provided in all rooms. Cable TV with in-room movies and a work desk are available. Hampton in Santa Cruz West offers a continental breakfast and fax services are available in the hotel lobby. An 8-minute drive from the hotel, Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk offers guests recreational activities. Wilder Ranch State Park is 1.9 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.